The last speaker before the Catch the Eye procedure now is Mr. Afzal Khan.
Madam President, hundreds of angry constituents have contacted me about the killings of innocent people in Gaza. Israel's response has been utterly disproportionate. It is estimated that 1 Israeli and over 200 Palestinians have lost their lives. According to the UN office, 80% of these are civilians. Moreover, more than 100,000 have been asked to leave their homes. We shouldn't accept that all this is Israel's right to self-defense. Collective punishment must end if we do not want extremism to increase. We know from the history that it is the Palestinians that have largely suffered, and that Israel has systematically eaten away at their land, breaking all international norms. Both sides need to understand that there is no military solution. A two-state solution may become redundant if we do not call for an immediate ceasefire and double our efforts to ensure a lasting peace. The EU, the winner of a Nobel Peace Prize, cannot remain a silent observer anymore. It prides itself on championing human rights, and it must therefore lead this peace effort, providing the voice of sanity and hope. Madam President, the 3 Abrahamic faiths have a common saying, wish for others what you wish for yourself. Both sides need to practice this. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I have 4 speakers for the Catch the Eye procedure. The first one is Madam Monika Flašíková-Beňová.
Ďakujem veľmi pekne, Ulrike. Blahoželám k predsedaniu tomuto parlamentu aj k tejto diskusii. Aj ty, aj ja a mnohí, ktorí tu vystúpili, sme v tomto parlamente už dlhšie.